Hi everybody! Earlier I uploaded a video of my daughter's squishy collection. Those were store-bought squishies. Now I'm going to show you her handmade squishy collection. Now here they are, and I'll go over them. But she'll go over each one in detail. Now, here's where my daughter is a little bit of a genius. She contacted mattress firm companies, the ones with the foam mattresses, and she asked for samples of the foam so that she could see if she wanted to buy one of their foam mattresses or not. Well, they sent her samples, and she took the samples and cut them up and made squishies. So here is the proud lady. That's it, make me find you. There you are. Who will now teach you and show you about her squishy collections. Go, girl.
First, I have this kawaii popsicle.
Cool.
Then I have this hot churro thing that I made. This pink churro thing. This blue cake roll.
They look like the real thing, store-bought.
This toast squishy. This chocolate bar thing. This candy corn. This thing.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bring that back. We didn't even see it. You aimed it at the floor.
Brownie thing. This dice and this emoji thing. But it's messed up.
Looks good. It's chocolate on the top.
This rainbow heart and this watermelon. The heart on it. This purple cake roll. This blue thing.
There's nothing on it?
No.
Oh, it's a blue thing.
This cake slice. This Olaf. This yellow Lego piece. This toast that I made a face on it. This M&M cookie.
She even put the little Lego stuff on top.
This blue iced cake. This crisscross brownie thing. This thing. This is supposed to be a snow cone. Chocolate. Powdered sugar brownie thing. This frog thing. This like cookie thing. Chocolate donut and this cake. This cake slice. This purple face thing. This mini green cake roll. This whatever it is. This Mickey Mouse. This mail logo. Squishy.
A what?
The mail.
Oh.
This stamp and envelope. This kawaii thing. This that I put in, I made a bunch of little eggs with faces on them. This peppermint. This mini blue cake roll. This blue thing with a face on it. This egg thing. This Hello Kitty. This pink cake thing. This blue Lego piece. This green one. This orange one. This red one. This rainbow cake slice. These mini cat things. This black cat.
What did you name your black cat?
Luna.
Oh.
This pink donut. This blush bun. This Mike Wazowski cookie thing. Holy Claire. This cake. This duck thing. This mini pumpkin. This pumpkin that my mom made me. This frog. This pink donut thing.
Claire.
This stack of pancakes. Pink and orange macaroons with faces. This mini pancake, which I put hot glue for the syrup and painted it. This cookie and this panda thing. These two cookies. This watermelon. This cake slice. These 3 cake roll things. And this pink cake roll. That's it.
Now, you mentioned hot glue. Do you want to share your secrets to your fan base out there?
I just made it and then I put hot glue for the icing and painted it. And then I put like a yellow thing for the butter. And that's how I did it.
Take us through the process of how you built it.
You just get the foam, paint it brown, hot glue the thing on top, then paint the syrup and butter on it. And that's it.
Very good. So if any of the collectors out there want to start making their own squishies, can they email you and ask you questions?
Sure.
Just email her and just use our email, and she'll be more than happy to answer any questions for anybody out there that wants to start making squishies. That's her collection, homemade squishies. Okay, be sure to subscribe. Till next time.
Bye.